Hey CEOs, do you want your staff doing better work while saving time, increasing productivity and generate more revenue? Well, these are top 5 AI tools that your staff must know how to use it. First up, saving time. ChatGPT is your go-to for speeding through tasks that used to eat up your day. Writing emails, coding, or even researching topics now takes just a fraction of your time. Now you can make ChatGPT sound like you. You can customize the response, voice to mirror your own, and making interactions even more personal and engaging. Ready to take your ChatGPT experience to the next level? Let's dive into AI for Work, a platform which guides you in crafting perfect prompts based on your professional role, ensuring more accurate and relevant responses. Just like your role, and get access to a curated list of prompts that resonate with your specific tasks and challenges at work. By upgrading your prompting skills, AI for Work doesn't just make ChatGPT smarter, it makes your workday more productive. From generating reports to solving complex problems, the right prompt makes all the difference. Drowning in emails? Meet superReply, your AI-powered ally in conquering your inbox with ease and efficiency. superReply isn't just another email tool, it's an intelligent system designed to understand the context of your emails, offering you smart, ready-to-send responses. Need to keep it professional or maybe casual reply fits better? With superReply, you can easily adjust the tone of your responses to match your style or the situation. Well, superReply isn't just smart, it is a time saver, don't you think so? Feeling overwhelmed by an overflowing inbox? Well, this is a mailstorm, your ultimate solution for taming the chaos and reclaiming your digital space. It dives deep into your inbox, analyzing patterns and volumes to suggest the best way to clean up and organize it. With just a few clicks, you can see Maelstrom magic at work. It intelligently suggests actions like unsubscribing from the newsletters, archiving all conversations, or deleting the unnecessary emails. Well, if you're worried about making a mistake, Maelstrom got you covered with that undo button that brings your email back from the void, ensuring you never lost anything important. Well, are you fed up with missing the good stuff in meeting because you're too busy writing it down? Well, meet Otter.ai. It's listen in and does all the note-taking for you and turns those spoken words into text on the spot, so you can actually join in the conversation and not worry about missing anything. And it gets better. Ever try to remember that one thing someone said that one time in the meeting? Well, with Otter.ai, it's like having a search engine for your conversation. Plus, you can share all those notes with your team, making working together such a breeze. So yeah, let Otter.ai handle the note-taking and you can focus on the important stuff in your meeting.